Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, Nyao shocked to hear that Nkonze is dead. After got a call from Mondli to check on the house of Konze that is really Konze dead. And it seems like Nyao can't believe. He wants to believe with his eyes. While Sbo is celebrating for killing Konze on an unexpected turn. And it seemed like Sbo don't want to pay the money of the wine on the Kwanjomane Shisanyama. Nonka get evidence that Gwanda is indeed a drug dealer. Gwanda chuchas Klezipi to get his drug back. And it seems like Gwanda make it clear on Nonka that he was selling drugs along, but he confused Nonka with the products, and Nonka see that Gwanda was selling drugs on the harbor without her know. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.